Do you have a Roborock S6 robot vacuum cleaner that keeps getting stuck? Would you like to know which solution is the best for this problem? Don't worry. Let's see how we have solved customer problems. Our customer brought in a Roborock S6 robot vacuum in a sorry state. Stuck and worn out tires, a real mess. Then we did a quick check out the robot vacuum and turned it on. But look at this, the robot vacuum just doesn't move at all and is completely stuck. After a thorough examination, we diagnosed the issue, worn out tires. A common issue with continuous use, just like car tires. We recommend tire rubber replacement. But that wasn't all. Take a look at this. The robot vacuum was super duper dirty. So, we suggested a deep cleaning service to restore its performance. After the customer agrees with our recommendation, we begin service and repair. But we're not done yet. Before returning to the customer, we do a unit test to make sure there are no problems. And voila! The robot vacuum is back on track, without getting stuck. Are you facing similar situation? Let us be your solution.